If you've made a payment on YouTube and need to request a refund, follow these simple steps to ensure you complete the process correctly. Step 1. Sign into your account. Log into your YouTube account using the same credentials you used to make the purchase. This is essential for accessing your purchase history and initiating the refund process. Step 2. Access purchase history. Navigate to the Purchases section in your account settings. Here, you will find a list of all your transactions, including any payments made for rentals, purchases, or subscriptions. Step 3. Select the transaction. Locate the specific transaction for which you want a refund. Click on it to view the details, which will provide options related to that purchase. Step 4. Request a refund. Look for the option to request a refund. Follow the prompts provided, which may include selecting a reason for the refund and confirming your request. Make sure to provide any necessary information as prompted. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your refund request, you will receive an email confirmation regarding the status of your request. Refunds can take a few days to process, so be patient while waiting for your funds to be returned. By following these steps, you can successfully request a refund on YouTube. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to YouTube support for further assistance.